Welcome back to Spy Garage.
Priced at an incredible $4 million, the possible 2026 Lamborghini Military War Luxury Motorhome, appropriately named a fortress on wheels, is an unmatched combination of extraordinary capability, unbreakable security, and hyper-luxury, stretching the limits of what a recreational vehicle can be. This idea is more than just a motorhome. It is a custom, mobile command center and luxurious haven made for the most discriminating people in the world who require complete security without sacrificing luxurious luxury, even in the most dangerous situations. The designation military war instantly evokes a powerful and nearly unbreakable force from the outside. This Lamborghini would probably follow the design language of military-grade armored personnel carriers, but with a decidedly aggressive and angular Lamborghini flair, eschewing the aesthetics of a regular camper van. Advanced, multi-layered ballistic armor that can withstand IEDs, small weapons fire, and even more serious threats would be used to build the shell. Multiply bulletproof glass would be used for windows, which would blend in perfectly with the overall design. It would be crucial to have underbody armor that could navigate rough terrain and deflect explosives. Its title as a fortress on wheels may also be cemented by its sophisticated external observation drones, active camouflage systems, and integrated defensive countermeasures, all of which are obviously non-lethal yet incredibly effective. An intimidating, sly, and unquestionably strong machine with a tactical, matte finish that belies its internal luxury would be the overall appearance. The change from the military-grade exterior to the ultra-luxurious inside of the $4 million fortress would be stunning. This would be a fully customized motorhome experience, made to the owner's precise requirements and intended to offer a luxurious and safe living space under all circumstances. The interior materials would be of the greatest quality, combining exquisite luxury with extraordinary durability. Custom-milled aerospace-grade aluminum, polished carbon fiber accents, and ballistic-rated panels concealed beneath hand-stitched Italian leather. A fully furnished command center with secure communication technologies, real-time satellite mapping, and worldwide surveillance feeds would probably be part of the layout, which would be separated into discrete, self-contained zones. The living space would be comparable to a luxury penthouse, having a large salon with specially made, anatomically constructed chairs would be comfortable for extended deployments or leisurely trips. A gourmet kitchen with integrated, shock-resistant appliances would be able to prepare expensive meals. With a king-size bed, plenty of reinforced storage, and an opulent en-suite bathroom with a fortified safe room, the master suite would be a safe haven. Even in damaged external conditions, advanced life support systems would guarantee habitability, such as redundant oxygen supply, air filtering for chemical and biological threats, and a self-contained waste management system. A very strong powertrain, possibly hybrid or even electric, that is built for maximum performance and range on any terrain and can provide stealth when needed would provide propulsion. While heavy-duty all-wheel drive, multiple differential locks, and active terrain response systems would offer unmatched off-road performance. An innovative, adaptive suspension system would guarantee a smooth ride over even the most difficult terrain. More than just a car, the 2026 Lamborghini Military War Luxury Motorhome is a declaration of the highest level of luxury, freedom, and security for people whose lives require extraordinary measures. It is a novel idea designed for a future in which luxurious comfort and personal safety can coexist, even in the most trying circumstances.